Hi everybody and welcome to Tuesday, October 5th. For today, please be aware we have a different schedule for classes, 1 through 8, because we just finished a major holiday. We have our writing challenge, the FlowCap, and our new story, vocab predictions. Let's get into it. Okay, so for our classwork, our essential question is how can characterization improve our understanding of a character? We're looking at characterization, we're looking at context clues this week. So let's get into what our classwork was for today. Today, you had your 30-day writing challenge, day 25. I feel confident when blank. So you guys told me of a time when you feel confident. Then you have your vocabulary prediction. That is the call of the Klondike. But before we actually get into the call of the Klondike, notice right here where it says vocabulary context clues. I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, chicos. So you're going to go ahead and go down to where it says Semester 1, Flowcabulary. Then you're going to click Sign In. It's going to take you to what account. Make sure that you're signing in always with your school account, of course. It's going to take you to this screen where it says context clues. On the side right here, you guys are going to go ahead and click and finish what has been assigned to you. For my honors class, you have vocab cards, the vocab game, read and respond, and the quiz. For my 3-4, you have the vocab cards, the read and respond, and the quiz as well. Oops. I'm not going to update my subscription right now, but you guys can go through and complete each of these activities. They're fairly self-explanatory, you guys. Okay, and then once you guys have finished that up as a class, I had you guys go ahead and begin some of your vocab predictions, okay? Instead of listing 4 facts about our presentation, I wanted you guys to list 4 facts about context clues and what you've learned about context clues now that you've had this time to learn a little bit more through Flowcabulary, that we had a time in class to actually discuss the video and watch it together. So if you're not in class, go ahead, watch the video, take your time, complete the Flowcabulary, then work on your vocabulary predictions for the call of the Klondike. The words that we use for this are grubstake, prospectors, crude, subsequent, and tenderfoot, okay? I made a slight mistake with the other side of the sky. I apologize, ladies and gentlemen, but just make sure that those words match up with these ones here on the left, okay? So it's just a total of those 5 words. We didn't quite get to building background yet, but we will be doing this tomorrow. Our exit ticket is how can understanding vocabulary help us expand our knowledge about the stories and the world we read about them. Okay, chicos, if you guys have any questions, as always, please reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.